हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम पढ़ेंगे टू स्टोरीज अबाउट फ्लाइंग का पार्ट 1 फर्स्ट फ्लाइट का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। वाई वाज द यंग seagull afraid to fly? Do you think all young birds are afraid to make their first flight, or are some birds are more timid than others? Do you think a human be also find it a challenge to take its first step? Answer: the young seagull was afraid to fly because it was his first flight and he afraid to feeling and hurting himself. ये उसकी पहली फ्लाई थी और उसको डर था कहीं वो गिर ना जाए और उसे चोट ना लग जाए। He thought that his wings would not support him while flying. Yes, it is natural that doing something for the first time is a bit challenging, fearful. All birds resist be afraid to make their first flight. उसे चोट लग जाए। मैं उड़ने जाऊं पर उसे डर था कि उसकी पंख उसकी सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे तो वो गिर जाएगी। Also afraid taking the first step and find challenging when he learns to grow stand up without. Question second. The sight of the food meant he what does the suggest what complained young seagull to finally fly. The young seagull were very hungry. वो बहुत भूखी थी. It was this hungry that unlimited complaint fly. उसकी भूख थी कि वो उड़ पड़ी. It hungry intensified when it saw its mother tearing at piece of fish that her feet. कि वो रो पड़ी जब उसकी माँ ने देखा कि जब उसने अपनी माँ को मुंह में मछली फाड़ते हुए मछली को फाड़ रही हैं तो वो चिल्लाने लगी, मुझे भी दो, मुझे भी खाना है। It is game enjoy and anticipation however stop midway. It wonderful why she did not come nearer that being able to rest and control feed hunger any longer. It divided the food in the mother bricks. All that moment his hunger overpowered his fear and great experience beneath cliff. Finally, this applause was followed by natural reaction of its body to fly. चिल्लाने लगी कि मुझे भी खाना है और उसकी माँ जो हैं वो उड़कर आती हैं पास में तो वो खुशी से चिल्लाती है तो उसकी मदर रुक जाती हैं क्योंकि वो चाहती थी कि वो उड़ना सीखे। अब वो और भूख कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकती थी और उसकी जो शक्ति थी वो जीत गई और वो उड़ने लगी। तो नेचर था कि वो उड़ेगी क्योंकि वो एक चिड़िया है। They were back beckoning to him, calling shrilly. Why did the single father and mother train him and cajole him to fly? A person present had tried everything, but he was requested to fly due to fear to down. He looked at his brother and sister, but would make any effort. That one family had left him alone, threatened and counseled him to come, but effort went he vain. उसके पेरेंट्स सब कुछ ट्राई कर चुके थे, लेकिन वो अपने डर से बाहर नहीं आ पा रहा था। वो अपने भाई और बहन को देखता, फिर भी उड़ने का कोई एफर्ट नहीं लगाता। इसीलिए पूरी फैमिली उड़कर चली गई। बहुत कोशिश की, डराया धमकाया, पर वो उड़ने के लिए रेडी नहीं हुआ। उस पर कोई असर नहीं हुआ। Question 4. Have you ever had a similar experience where your parents announced you to something that you were too scared to try? Discuss this affair or groups. Suggestion answer. Yes, I had a similar experience while learning a ride bicycle class. In my talent attempt, I fell down every time and developed a fear of cycling which was difficult to overcome. No amount of provoking and cajoling could let me try it again. But my father, learning cycling, he took me on a mountaineer village and made me sit and asked me to put my hands on the handle and feet on the pedal. It is speed down and I enjoyed without fear, which developed my confidence. Thus, I overcome my fear of cycling and starting riding a cycle after a few practice. पहली कोशिश करता है और वो गिर जाता है और उसके दिमाग में डर बैठ जाता है कि वह साइकिल कभी नहीं जीत पाएगा। किसी भी तरह की कोशिश सफल नहीं हो पाई। अब वो सब दोबारा करना पड़ेगा। मेरे पापा मुझे इनकरेज किया इस डर पर काबू पाने से, और अब मैं श्योर हूँ कि मैं साइकिल ज़रूर चला पाऊँगा। उसे की वजह से मुझे डर भी नहीं लगा और मैं कॉन्फिडेंट था। Question 5. In the case of the bird flying, it seems a nature act and foregone conclusion that should success in the example you have given and answer the previous question. Was a question success in the important for you to try regardless of a possibility of failure? We face some problem in the initial stage while learning new skill due to failure. We have performed a task to do something new in case the stage in parents called him to fly, and I have given an answer question and called my father name cycling. So at the stage I was to yes my success is guaranteed because some determined to do, then success is assured. Moreover, and said practice make a man perfect. यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है चैप्टर। पार्ट 2।